Good news, viewers. Passed here the other day and it was shut, and I was wondering why is it shut. Back open. Bar Gavita. €1.20 for a wee bottle of beer. So we're just next to the church square. And we'll just take a quick walk down. There's the bells. There we go, €1.20 for a wee beer. There's my wee brother Paul. Wee tapas bar at the side there, the wee colourful steps leading up to the side streets. Quite busy today, Los Cristianos. It's about 23 degrees. Busy here, these side streets, a couple of wee shops there that sell bags and belts and stuff as well. A couple of wee bars. Got a Lacoste shop there as well. There's not that many shops in Los Cristianos, but there's quite a few. This wee bit here. So, this is filmed November the 22nd. So if you're wondering how busy it is, hopefully I'm giving you a wee idea. A wee ice cream here, nice. It's only about 12 o'clock, so probably a wee bit early for lunch here. They have lunch quite late and then dinner quite late. It's a nice wee place in there. We're just coming down to the promenade here, so I'm just really showing you where the church is there. So if you're going to church and you're wondering where it is, just copy this walk, just reverse it, come back up the way. That sums up Tenerife, doesn't it? So good. Promenade, it's quite busy. The coffee shop here's popular. Look how busy this place is. English breakfast, €2.95 there. There's the beach. Busy later on. It was a wee bit overcast this morning, but it's brightened up, I'd say. Still a wee bit wind. Hello. You'd be struggling to get a seat here. Looks fully booked. So I'm just going to walk all the way along Las Vistas up to Las Americas. Probably take 15-20 minutes to get into Las Americas. Maybe 15. So if you're new to the channel, you're looking for more videos from Tenerife, just hit the wee red button below. It says subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the wee bell for notifications. I hope you've enjoyed the wee short walk today. Just showing you where the church is. The Bar Gavita's back open again. All good news. Thanks for watching. See you next one.